A poetry presentation, Lament for a Dead Cow by Francis Carey Slaughter. The setting is in South Africa, along the countryside, in the meadows where cows graze, on a dry, drought-stricken land. We know that this poem takes place in South Africa because the poet states it is a Xhosa family. The first theme is about grieving and mourning the loss of a family pet. The second theme is also about loss, but as a source of food and income. The mood is respectful because it honors Wetu's life. It is sad due to a death and lonely because it gives a feeling of emptiness. The tone is emotional because the family is heartbroken. It is appreciative for the commodities she produced. It is also grateful for her friendship. Figures of speech. The IDE methods of sight, sound, taste, touch, and feel. For the first figure of speech, I selected a simile. Beautiful was Wetu as a blue shadow. I selected this image because it was a beautiful picture that captured the shadow perfectly in the body of water, which symbolized Wetu's beauty. For the second figure of speech, I selected a metaphor. The black cloud that brought us white rain. I selected this image because it symbolizes Wetu's milk in the dry drought when there was no water to drink.